Daddy, where you go cook?
Stew potato.
Stew potato. So what you do now, Daddy? Just kind of peel off.
Some of it not be the way not wash.
Oh, okay. So what kind of potato this?
Ganja potato garlic.
Oh. See?
Ganja.
So this potato white? Like inside of it white?
Yeah man, dry.
Dry?
Yeah man, terrible dry.
You say about the Daddy?
I grease this up at now and burn this one.
So this way I do right now, Daddy?
Rub oil pan it that it can come off little better.
Oh, so it's like you grease the pot.
Yeah man.
So when it burns, so you can easy for wash it off.
Yeah man.
So easy for wash off.
Yes man. Yeah, that's it. You know, say the four door.
The pot last in that man. So you don't put no water?
Yeah man.
So you make what? What you make? Stew potato.
No go for water man.
So when you put in, put much water in it? How much water you put in it? So?
I throw one potato in it. I'm not going to throw over too much water. Water.
A little bit of salt.
Give something to salt.
See how quick this part bubble. So you cover it up or?
Yeah man. You know blow fire there, how you know for the kitchen, you know, you just got trouble if you don't need to catch itself.
Wow. See? Just a bit of water, eh?
Yeah man.
Look at that. Nice.
Time you know till you as you cook, so you just take it off.
Take it off. How long it take before you cook, Daddy?
Yeah, 8-10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Take it more salt,
You just put a little bit more salt.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Place a bubble pot fast in the water.
Yeah.
You have enough to cook it today, enough for a bun, you know. And this have you.
Yeah man, there a whole reason with daddy, you know? About him farming and stuff. Cause him man farm potato and him farming carrot and what else you farm, daddy?
Tomato and pepper.
Tomato and pepper?
Oh. Garden egg.
Garden egg.
Eggplant.
Oh. So sweet pepper and tomato and carrot. Pretty much almost little bit of everything.
Yeah man.
No. The potato them we have stew now. Are you planting?
Yeah man.
No.
Yes man.
Yeah.
Me had I sleep over 20 odd year, you know. About 25 years or longer. Me say that.
Yeah?
Yeah man.
Potato slip. Man.
And I've really funny, you know, the boat in the and come on. We call it ganja potato.
Ganja potato. Man.
But I tell you now how me plant, you know, me plant it different from everybody else.
So how you plant it? What you mean you plant it different from everybody
You
else?
can stick them 3 inches, 4 inches long.
Mm-hmm.
And me just stick it down in the
dirt.
And I scratch out nothing, me just stick it.
Oh.
And the ganja hill not fi big, you know.
Yeah.
If it big, you run away in a bush.
Oh.
And waste.
Oh.
When it's small and when they buck up and they hard up, now it swell.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And it bear a lot of potato.
Yes man. It's
So-
good, you know.
So like with that
Try and
so like with that potato slip, which is like the leaf, how like you replant it over and over and keep replanting it over and over? Okay, so you keep it going.
yeah man, then that's all. Let me tell you, our 25 years, me had that every day.
Man. And they call what? Ganja
Ganja potato we call it.
call it ganja potato. Man.
So how they leave them make you look through the leaf and you have a ganja tree. And that's why they call it saying about the name.
Oh.
But me never hear that name yet.
Okay.
But lots of people love it for them, it's good.
Yeah man.
You don't have potato dry and
Yeah.
dry.
Cause you know so the regular potato then when you get it inside of it yellow. But this one a white.
Yeah
It's
man.
like what you call it, white heart?
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
The
So
red skin, you know.
red skin, yes. So
Boom,
daddy has stew the potato now, so when it's done we're gonna try it and see how it tastes and you know. Look at that daddy.
wow.
Pot must ready. So if fire red man.
That's what I roasted potato, man.
That with a roasted potato. Okay. Man, look there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah man.
You saw the fork go down in there?
All of them ready.
Ready?
Yep.
Aye. Yes, guys.
But I'm all black, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what a dry out.
Okay. Right now, I'm gonna try daddy's steamed potato. Look at it. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah. See? Nice and dry too, you know. Daddy. Cheers, good man.
Yes man, I have to yes man. The salt to put in the pan and in well steam.
Mm-hmm.
Dry.
Wow.
You have to drink sweet in a potato, you know man.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so yes guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Go and enjoy the potato, you know.